Here we are at Burger King getting some food for our chickens because they eat nothing but the best.
Hi, thanks for choosing Burger King. How can I help you?
Yeah, we just need a minute.
Hey, speak of them whenever you're ready.
Okay.
Look, see they have spicy chicken?
Where?
Right there on the bottom left.
I'm not getting them spicy chicken.
They like spicy food.
offensive.
I'm not. That's offensive.
That's
Oh,
offensive.
I don't want to offend the chickens. So no chicken for the chickens.
No.
What about a vegetable Whopper? Because they have the Impossible Whopper that has no real beef in it.
No, you want to feed them beef. They want protein.
Oh, okay, protein for the chickens.
Double stacking.
Just not chicken.
Double
Yeah, what
stackers.
about
Double stacking
cheddar,
king.
a cheddar bacon king?
Ooh, cheddar bacon chicken. I like your style.
I like
No,
cheese.
bacon double cheeseburger.
Bacon double
Got 'em some-
cheeseburger.
what if you got 'em some Dr.
I
Diet
can't think.
Pepper?
Shh.
Shh, shh. Come on, we're shopping for chickens. Ooh, a little bit of poison. Ooh, fighting.
Max, do you know what you want?
I do.
Huh. I want a regular cheeseburger.
Which one's a regular cheeseburger?
Just say a regular cheeseburger.
Do you want fries with it or something?
Yes.
Do you want bacon on
Oh,
it?
wait, they have spicy Whoppers.
Spicy Whopper.
Okay.
With a seatbelt
All right, I
on.
think we're ready.
Oh, we're ready. Here we go.
Okay, what would you like?
Can I have one number 7,
Oh, we have numbers.
Medium or large?
didn't realize
large,
we had numbers.
and do you have Dr. Pepper?
Yes, we do.
Can I have that with
Number
that?
2, the double Whopper. No
And
onions,
Anything else?
please.
yes, can I have 5
No
cheeseburgers
onions.
from the value menu?
5, 1, 2, 3, 4,
Okay.
5 cheeseburgers.
And
Dang, those chickens.
a cheddar bacon king as a
Okay.
meal,
Medium or large?
medium.
Sounds like they're getting
What do you
5
want?
cheeseburgers.
What do you want?
Can I get a number 2 with no onions,
A
please?
number 2 with no onions.
That's the double Whopper.
Diet Coke with that, please.
Because I'm getting the Diet Coke. Because
Actually, Diet Coke with the last 2.
that
is
offsets
good.
all the calories for everywhere else.
You talk too much.
Make it a diet. It evens out, right?
What size meal did you want your cheddar bacon cake?
Large.
Okay, anything else?
No, that's it.
Okay, $33.52. Go ahead and pour on.
Oh, $33. Jesus Christ. Here we are cutting our burgers in half.
No, this isn't gonna work.
Why? We bought 5 burgers. We have 10 chickens, so we cut them all in half. Everybody gets a half.
No, I'm
half
cutting them in
burger.
fourths.
So they're
And
bite-sized.
the pickles are coming out.
Don't eat that.
I like a pickle.
Well, Mick will eat it. Mick eats the chicken's food half the time anyway. But yeah, definitely cutting
I'm known as a
5
chicken
burgers.
stealer.
Just a chicken food stealer. 5 burgers, dissecting it into parts to feed the chickens. So they're gonna have a yummy dinner.
Look, girls.
Oh.
Da-da-da-da.
Here we go. Cheeseburger time. Get ready to see some
No,
craziness.
no, eat your first part.
Look,
Girls,
look, they know.
here they
Girls,
come.
look!
Cheeseburgers in paradise.
Cheeseburgers.
Cheeseburgers in paradise.
Oh, one just took it and ran. Okay.
A little
So that's
bit
how
of
we're doing
pickles
this?
and mustard, be nice.
Here.
Not too particular, not too precise. The chickens want a cheeseburger in paradise. Cheeseburger in
Nope.
paradise.
Look at them.
They're attacking it. Cheeseburgers!
Cheeseburgers.
Cheeseburgers!
Ow!
Oh, they're attacking. I would just put the whole bowl down. They're gonna go nuts.
Yeah, put the whole
Put the
bowl
bowl
down.
down. Just put it down. Let's just take it too long.
Where's Carmela? Come here, Carmela.
Wait, is there bacon?
There's bacon on mine.
What? Bacon?
You brought bacon into the bin. so
These
I
are
got free
literally
bacon.
Burger King cheeseburgers.
Here, girls.
And yes, the chickens will eat just about anything. But especially like protein.
We were feeding them granola bars once.
Go.
One of the
I mean,
things that makes our eggs so good.
We were eating granola bars once, and we were walking around, and they jumped up and stole the granola bar and ate it.
They like
Stealing
granola bars.
granola bars.
Nope. Here. Ah! They're a patty. That went.
You're getting crazy.
Zoom in, zoom in.
Hmm?
Look, zoom in. That's a chicken eating cheeseburger. Bet you never thought you'd see that in your life.
You talk too much. Look, Carmelo likes the pickles. Ow! Please don't peck me. Look, Little Red's like, yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum. You can feed him some french fries. Ow! You can feed him some french fries.
Look, it's a worm.
Ah! You have to divide them up. Girl, look, they're not even interested. Girls, burgers.
They're losing interest.
They're losing interest.
They're
Carmelo,
like,
seriously?
we wanted Wendy's. We're not eating
wanted
that Burger King. We wanted Wendy's.
Look, Carmelo doesn't
Look.
like it.
She's a Wendy's girl. She's like, what?
Look at this.
Anybody for Taco Bell?
Taco Bell?
Taco Bell?
Long Silvers?
She's like, Burger King? What?
Anything but Kentucky Fried Chicken.
What? Oh, what's a curse word around here?
Girls, seriously?
They're like, I'm not in that Burger King. If it ain't Wendy's,
Should have bought Wendy's.
I ain't eating it.
Guys, you have like a...
There, just let him have it. There it is. Chickens eating cheeseburgers.
Chickens and cheeseburgers.
As you can see, some of them prefer Wendy's.
Maybe hold on to some of them for another time.